The second method for identifying physical properties of a different matter is by using tools. First, we can identify the mass of matter. What's the meaning of mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. For example, if we see this copybook, we will see that it has a large amount of papers. Each paper is called a matter. So if we see this copybook, it will have a large amount of matter. Okay, let's see the pen. If we see this pen, it has a little amount of matter. If we put both of them on a pen balance, we will find that the amount of matter or the mass of this copybook will be more than the amount of matter and the mass of the pencil. So the mass of the copybook will be more than the mass of the pen because it has a large amount of matter more than the pen. So the tool we use to measure the mass of matter, we use the pen balance. We use this pen balance. We have different types of balance. For gold, we use sensitive balance. We have different types of balance. We use the unit for measuring mass, gram or kilograms. The unit of mass is gram or kilograms. So the second one is a volume. We say before what the meaning of volume is the amount of space taken by the object. Is the amount of space taken by the object. Volume is the amount of space taken by the object. We have two ways to find the volume. For liquids, we're using the graduated cylinders. This graduated cylinder used to measure the volume that taken by the liquid. The unit we use to measure the volume of liquids is milliliter. Milliliters. Okay, for regular solid as a cube, like this one. For regular solid, to find the volume of regular solid, we start to use our measuring tape and measure the length of the cube. Let's see it is 2 centimeters. Then we use to measure the width of the cube. Also it is 2 centimeters. Let's to measure the height of the cube. Then we apply the law, our law for finding the volume of different solids or for cubes is length times width times height. So the law is length times width times height. Like this. So to find the volume of cube, we use the law length times width times height. We have the length 2 and the width 2 and the height 2 times will be 8. The unit of measuring volume of different solids is cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. We put centimeter and put the number 3 over letter M. Cubic centimeter. The unit of measuring the volume of solids is cubic centimeter. Try by yourself to find the volume of this cube and send it to me on School Everywhere. The last one is temperature. All of you know what the meaning of temperature is, a measure of how warm something is. To know if it's warm or cold, we know the temperature. We use the tool thermometer. I know that all of you know it because we take it before in Unit 7. The tool of thermometer, the tool of measuring temperature is thermometer. And the unit of measuring the temperature is Celsius. I know all of you know the meaning and the tool and the unit of temperature as we taken before. Thank you, grade 3.